We're live. I could be using this to talk to somebody. Oh, nobody there. Oh, Lord. What is going on? I don't know. But we're filming. Oh, Jim. I don't really like saying things, so I want people to think I'm talking on the phone. People are so not acclimated. Whatever. Alright. Cool, I got some bitches. Got some bitches. Yes, the restrooms are behind me. Yep, right there. That's the restrooms. Yep, restrooms. Oh yeah. That building you just saw behind me, that was the restrooms. Oh, I forgot the kids were here, and I forgot my headband. Should have told myself before this. So sorry, guys. My dudes. I'm so sorry. Oh, people and their doggies. I show them, but I don't know, some people take their pets seriously. Really gorgeous and beautiful out here. Warm spring day. Yeah. Oh, park over. Okay. Cool. Trying to get these steps in. I'll tell you one thing though. I don't think I can do 2 laps. They're actually well bigger, but I cannot do 2 laps. No. Arf. Arf. Arf, arf. Yes. 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 Okay. And that's on. And that way passed by. Okay, alright already. Okay. Again, that is why I'm a cat lover. Okay. Oh, okay. He don't seem too happy at me, but just another walker around these birds. Alright. Yes, I get it, dog. Yep, give it up. Yep, go back. That right there is why I'm a cat lover. I kept trying to tell y'all that when he was barking in my ear. Little y'all's phonic ear. Oh my goodness. They just won't let up. Oh man. He just won't let up. Oh. It's just the way. See, I always come around here and think, what is all a nake? So I don't even like saying the real word. I probably didn't. It's probably just a shadow. Let's put it that. We are just gonna put it that way. Anyways, so there's that. The dog did not like me. What do you think this contraption was again? Yeah, right. As Wonder Woman, I do not carry guns, but a faith sword. Faith sword. Or a faithful sword. Anyways. Oh, it's pretty. Alright, I gotta be careful taking pictures. Do a 2-part video. I never liked 2-part videos. I'm gonna leave that out of our mind. Yeah. Okay, let me show y'all this path before somebody comes about. Pretty, huh? Pretty. It's like a pretty bench. Right there. I'm watching for y'all. I'm trying to show y'all my height. Yeah, that's about right. My eye height, not my height. So, I don't want to say that'd be impossible, but it'd be hard. So, I don't know, y'all. Oh, buddy, I'm holding y'all too low. Oh, are those trees? Might be nearly planted trees. I don't know. Keep it pushing, Tonya. Bunch of flies. Oh. Are we just walking by? Got people down there. Hopefully not middle schoolers or elementary schoolers. That is true. I can't say it for mid to east Oregon, but I can't say it for the west. Oh, okay, someone's coming. Yeah. What I can say is, West Oregon schools tend to be, elementary school and middle school tend to be close to each other. Yes. So yeah. Okay, let's get out of the way. Yeah. Man, if I would have heard that, I would have moved to the right real quick. There'll people back there, don't they just turn around real quick. What a move. What I'll do is, when I get home, is I'll film fashion of the day, or it's not fashion of the day, outfit of the day for y'all. Y'all like those, and I've liked those probably for the longest time on my channel, so I figure why not do them. There's a doggy over there. Fortunately, there's a lot of dogs here, but I have to give them and myself credit, and especially not just the dogs, but the owners, because pretty much all the owners here, they take care of take really good care of their pets. Phew, I need to take a break. Yeah, they do. I've never been like charged at or bitten or nothing scary by a dog. I would hate that. Yeah, here's pretty safe. Alright, I'm gonna keep pushing. Oh, Grandma had a Yorkie. That was so cute. I just saw a freaking Yorkie. Oh my gosh, Grandma, you follow me around? I guess so. Poor Jordan. Oh, my grandma now regrets kicking me out of the room when Chelsea and Jordan were involved. My two older cousins. Just because I mentioned your name doesn't mean it's Jordan. I ain't meaning no harm, Jordan. But somebody even watches me, including you, Jordan. Jules, I don't think cares that much. So. Yeah, we're almost done. Almost done. I'm stopping here. There's nobody. It is definitely school time for kids because ain't nobody around. Y'all want an outfit of the day? I'm kind of afraid to do it here. I'll do it at home. Alright, let's keep it pushing, y'all. Where should I go? I'll stay. I'm kind of hot and trying to catch my breath here.
Then again, I haven't tried one. You've never had one? When I was younger, I did.
Okay, let's pass. Yes, I was kind of waiting for them people to pass. I could just get nervous. These expensive people are like, I don't want to be on camera. Well, isn't that how you get money? By being on camera on YouTube? I always get super freaking nervous. Oh God. You know why I'm nervous? Because I know what I've heard, and I'm not gonna say it, of what is out in Florida. My husband better be prepared to protect me from pretty much not what is out in Florida, but the animals that are out in Florida. Yes, I have. Just gonna say it because I've never really seen one around here. Just gonna say I've never seen. See, my throat was already freaking filling, tightened. Like there is an ache on it, but there isn't. Now is there, y'all? Oh. Oh, I feel really beautiful in this lighting. I hope it's doing everything for me. Trying to get back home because one of my housemates got lucky and is gonna go see the new Michael movie tonight with his family. I'll just say that. So, I would love for someone to ask me in the comments below how I managed to run a YouTube channel when I live in an adult watch home. Go ahead and ask away, y'all. I'd like to know that you want to ask that, and then for me to answer. I think that there's some people that like to know. Yep, see, that dog just already past you and down here. Got nothing to be scared of. Oh my gosh, this thing is wobbly. Ew. Sorry. Oh, that's beautiful. Pretty. I know I usually, on these walks, show the camera going up my nose because I'm weary of having people in my videos. But to me, well, pretty much everybody looks the same, so how is that a bad thing? I don't know. Okay, how are we gonna turn this off in 20 minutes? So, wow, Tony. So elderly, there she is. An elderly. What's today? Man, I'm probably gonna turn this off and go check and see if there's a shindig. You hear a bunch of music. Makes me think that the music's from my house. And we do have a theater that we light up, at least for what I know, 4th of July and Oktoberfest. Oktoberfest isn't for a while. And 4th of July is kind of a ways out. Not too ways out. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this off now. Thanks for walking with me. Thanks for walking with me. Bye.